Happy Friday to you as we approach the Labor Day holiday weekend here. Long weekend for us. We're looking at a lot of sunshine, but it's hazy sunshine, not a whole lot of rain at all. And rain will stay at a pretty much minimum for today and even spilling into tomorrow too. No big rain chances here for the first part of the weekend. It's not going to be zero. There could be a shower blowing in from time to time, but for the most part, things will be quite dry out there. And you can see here, this is downtown. And you can barely even see the buildings. The haze is so thick right now. So what is this haze? This is that Saharan air layer that moves over us, that African dust that gets churned up, makes its way all the way across the Atlantic and then over us. We had a couple of bouts of this summer, but this is a particularly strong one. And this is the forecast here. This is Saturday afternoon, still pretty thick over South Florida. This usually limits rain chances, so I've dropped rain chances for today and for tomorrow. Sunday, it starts to thin out some. Sometimes this helps boost stronger storms too, going into if there's enough moisture and lift out there. And I think by Sunday and even on into Monday, it thins out completely, and then we bring rain chances way up once we get rid of it here with the addition of more moisture moving on in, and a weather pattern that's going to drive in some tropical moisture on top of us going into next week. Temperatures right now are looking mainly into the upper 80s to near 90 degrees. High temperatures today into the low 90s. The heat tracker looking real hot there with the heat index around 105, 107 for a few hours in the afternoon. Even in the middle of the night, it feels like the 90s. So here's Vipercast. Notice just showing a couple of showers here, but all in all dry. Your Friday evening should be dry too. Going into the overnight, a little burst of moisture that may squeak out a quick shower or two along the coast. Not a ton of them, and that will be in the overnight hours. And look at Saturday too. Just a few showers moving on in. The clouds will thicken up some going into late in the day. A lot of that pushing westward. So rain chances real low here for today, and tomorrow we start to bring them up. And we're going up steps here as we get into Tuesday. Higher rain chances on Tuesday. The tropics here, we do have this little area, 20% chance for that to develop. In these couple of areas, a medium chance and a high chance for this one once it gets more into this area. And then also looking at coming off the coast of Africa, something to watch down the road. We're talking next week sometime, days down the road. Nothing to bother us this weekend though. Boating and beach forecast. Be careful, rip currents. It's going to get a little choppier with the onshore wind picking up a little bit. Highs in the low 90s, lows near 80 degrees. And again, limited rain chances to start the holiday weekend and more abundant after.